Hello and welcome to all. Who is the only Indian female Olympic boxer to win an Olympic medal? Yes, it's none other than Mary Kom. Dear student, today you are going to learn Unit 3.5 Unbeatable Supermom Mary, that is Mary Kom. Mary Kom is an Indian female boxer from the northeast state of Manipur. She was born on 1st March 1983. She is known as Mary Magdalene Kom or Magnificent Mary. In the year 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Let's see in detail page number 129.
Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Unbeatable means impossible to defeat or undefeatable. Okay, Supermom Mary Kom. Mary Kom Changni Jang Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982. Better known as Mary Kom is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. She is a 5-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 world champion. So Mary Kom is Changni Chang. Mary Kom is a full name. Okay, was born on 24th November 1982. So everyone better known as Mary Kom means everyone known Mary Kom. She is the only Olympic Indian boxer. Hailing means forming or belongs to from the Kom. This is the tribe's name. Okay, tribe, Kom tribe in Manipur. So you know that tribe means already social group of people where belong in the traditions. They were settled in one place. That called a tribe in Manipur. Mary Kom belongs to Manipur. Okay, she is a 5-time world amateur boxing championship. She won a 5-time. Okay, world amateur means competitions that conducted for the prizes or point scoring. Okay, boxing championship. How many times? 5 times. And the only woman boxer. She was the only woman boxer to have won a medal. She won the medal in each one of the 6 world champions. Okay, how many? Every time she won the medal. Okay, only woman she won a medal in each one of the how many times? 6th world champion. She is considered the 6th world champion in the world. Nickname Magnificent Mary. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have a qualified for the summer 2012 summer Olympic competition in the flyweight 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal. Her nickname, Mary Kom nickname, so magnificent means impressive or attractive. Okay, Mary, she is the only Indian woman boxer. She was qualified in the summer 2012 Olympics competitions, and flying the weight means to fight or to fight with anyone that at that time a weight was flyweight. Okay, they weight in boxing. Okay, how many kg? 51 kg category, and she at that time she won the bronze medal. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Magnet Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. She is famed as 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the sixth World Championship. Okay, so there had be successful means every one successful story if Indians to be survive means to continue in sports there should be one story. So we have the story now. What the story enough means as much as been said that about the great warrior means who fights in a battle, who conquered means to take control in boxing the world. This warrior is none other than the Mary Manty Com. This is the full name, Mary Manty Com. The conquer and the comrade means who conquer means win, and the comrade means who fights against the boxing. Okay, she is fame means famous as a 5 times world boxing championship, and she is the only boxer okay win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. Okay, 6 times she is a world championship. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. So in the year 2012 Olympics, she was the first okay Indian woman boxer to qualify Mr. Pass, and she won a bronze medal in the year 2012. Okay, in the 51 kg flyweight means so 51 kg means we need a boxing to 48 to 51 kg to fight against. Okay, so she had a 51 kg category of boxing. Com was born in Kengtiai village, Moirang Lamka in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. She came from a poor family. Her parents Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom were tenant farmers who worked in Jum fields. Com grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm related chores, going to school, and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. Sokom was born in Kengte village. Okay, the Moirang means the name of the road, Lamka, and the district is the Churachandpur. It is a rural place of Manipur in eastern India. She belongs to a very poor family. Her parents' name Mangte Tonpa Kom, father name, and mother Mangte Akam Kom, were the tenant farmer means farm laborer. Okay, who worked in Jum means farming fields like shifting cultivations. One cultivations over in one field, then they shift to others. Okay, farm laborers, they're working in a hired basis. The farm is not owned by them, they are working just when the cultivation is over, just they are shifting to the other. Com grew up in humble surroundings. Our background was very poor quite. Okay, and simple and poor conditions, helping her parents. She almost whenever she was free, she was helping with her parents related to the course. Okay, but she's not interesting, but then too she's to help in the farming field, and she going to school and learning athletics. In the school itself she is to learn the athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Alternatively, in the earlier school life only she was fond of sports, and afterwards she joined the boxing. Okay, her father was a keen wrestler, means eager in wrestling match, so much interested in wrestling match in his younger age. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipur returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Com recollects had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. She had so eager interest in athletics in the field of sports, boxing, since childhood, and success of after hearing the success of Dinko Singh, he also fellow written from the year 1998. He also belongs to the Manipur district only, and he returned from the Bangkok Asian Games. In the year 1998 with a gold medal winner. He was a gold medal winner. Oh, Dinko Singh. So, Mary Kom also recollects and inspired means inspired by to make someone feel that many youngsters in Manipur that to try boxing. She tried a lot in boxing when she was young, and she too thought that of giving it a try, and she tried boxing with a male person also. And she showed interest to everyone that she was very fond of athletics. Mary Kom's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. In the year 2001, she started competition at international level. So Mary Kom's career started in the year 2000. After her victory in the Manipur, when she won a victory in the Manipur State in women boxing championship and the regional championship also in that region also where it was held in the West Bengal also she won that. And finally in the year 2001, after 1 year only, she started competing at international level in the world. She tried in the world level in the year 2001. She was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she applies to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She is a legend for sure, an idol for all the sportswomen to look up to. So here when she was not only 18 years old, when she made her international debut means public appearance at the first, when she attended 18 years old, she attended the first public appearance at first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in the United States. That is the AIBA. It is in the United States. It is a non-profit organization for the fields of boxing. So there she winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category, means at that time her weight was 48 kg. Already we know that for the boxing required 48 to 51, but Mary Kom she had 48 kg. Her greatness reinforced by the way, because due to that her greatness is reinforced means stronger or more strengthened by the way that she was apologized, means to say sorry to the whole nation. She said to the sorry. Why she said? Because she would unable to win the gold. She is a legend. Legend means history creator. She was created a history for sure, an idol. She was an idol means example for all the sports women, because in spite of gold, due to that she didn't win the gold. That's why she said sorry to everyone. But she won that which bronze medal. For all the sports women to look up to. Now an interview. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastava, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her allegations at winning a medal. So it is an exclusive Interview means only one person interview with sports kida correspondence. The correspondence taking an interview to Mary Kom. His name is Taruka Srivastava. Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom. She had won the Olympic game bronze medalist. Mary Kom talked about preparations, how she had prepared for Olympics. Now here there is an interview between Taruka Srivastava and the Mary Kom. She talked about the preparation for the Olympics and her allegations at winning a medal means, and she had a very great joy. She was very happy winning the medal. Okay, first question, interviewer. You who is taking the interview? Yes, Taruka Srivastava. Okay, the first things. First, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympics medal for India as the feeling completely sunk in. Okay, so now the interviewer is asking question to Mary Kom. The first questions, you are the first Indian female boxer. She was the first female Indian boxer to win an Olympics. She won the medal, the Olympics medal for India. As the feeling completely sunk in means any realizations. How did she feel? Okay, how did she realize? So now Mary Kom replying that I am really happy with my achievement and yes, it is yet to sink in. I am just so exhilarated. Means she was really happy with my achievement means with her achievement. Okay, and yes, it is yet to sink in means, and it is an event or an experience to realize. Okay, to exhilarated means very thrilled, very happy. Okay, now the second question, the interviewer, you were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did you put additional pressure on you? Now the second question, that she was the only female representative means a person being chosen from India, okay, in boxing. Did any additional means extra pressure been put or what? The interviewer is asking question. Now Mary Kom replying, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. Now she said no, nobody had put pressure on her. It was pretty means attractive, confident, pleasant. Okay, about myself. She was very attractive or confident about herself, that she already knows. Now the third question, the interviewer, your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Now the interviewer is asking questions because everybody, you know, that one coach they needed. So the interviewer is asking question, your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed. Yes, not allowed to accompany means to go with. Okay, along with the Olympics. How did you affect that your preparation? Did it any affect by your preparation or what? Like that, the interviewer asking question to Mary Kom. So Mary Kom, she's replying, well, I did miss him. She said she was missing him, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. She said even though the Atkinson was not there in the, but what she did, she was thanking him and she already done her homework means practice well. Where before going to the boxing she was well practiced, and I was well prepared means she was well practiced. She knows everything because see, everyone before we are going we need a practice. So in every field there should be a practice. Okay. Interviewer, during your preparations for the Olympics, but you sparred with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? Now the interviewer asking questions while preparations for the Olympics. Okay, while she was preparing for the Olympic, you sparred means practice partner with the male boxers. She did practice with the male boxers of the Indian Contingency means uncontrolled or any circumstances. What was your favorite sparring partners? Means while practicing, we need a partner. So, who was your favorite sparring partner? Like that, the interviewer asking question. Now, Mary Kom replying that she was laugh fell. I trained hard in Pune, and the mailboxes were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. Last Mrs. Smile when untrained hard in Pune. She said that I was practiced well because I taken training well in Pune. The mailboxes were kind. Whenever she need an help with the mailboxes, she used to take practice with the okay. And whenever I required them means whenever she needs to take a sparring partners male along with her. So to take in favorite, to take a name, it should be favorite would be unfair mean it should not be taken a name. She said it will be unfair because whenever she need that she takes so many person, so that's why she should not take any one person name. It just be injustice. Okay, that's why she's not taking name. Interviewer, you were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reasons for your loss in the semi-finals? Now here the questions for the semi-finals. You were the interviewer is asking question. You were quoted means repeated by saying, she was saying okay, Adams was very clever means her opponent was Adam. She was very clever, and a counter puncher means the opponent playing against to defense. Okay, although she carried power, she had a power, and she was very tactical. She was very tactical means planned actions. Okay, to go for a victory. I was scoring. She said, Mary Kom, that she was scoring. Like that, the interviewer is asking question, but the judges were not pressing the button because you know that for scoring we need to press a button to get a point. Do you think? Now here the interviewer asking question. Do you think they got dodgy? Means partial or unjust. Dodgy means okay. Judging was a part of the reason for your. It was a reason, part of a reason for your loss in the semi-final. It was a reason for two loss in the semi-final. Like that, the interviewer asking question. Now Mary Kom replying, yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunately did not work to my benefit. She said, of course, okay, and some of the decisions were unfortunate means unlucky or wrong decision that it is not work for our benefit. Interviewer, India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1/3 billion populations. Where do you think a change is required to get helpers win medals that are proportionate with our population? The interviewer asking questions. India manages 6 medals. Okay, for the in the 2012 Olympics because now the interviewer asking question only the we won the how many medals 6 own medal in the year 2012 Olympics, and we had a population of 1/3. Okay, what that means like extremely 2.7 billion of peoples. Around that we had a more populations, the largest populations. So what do you think like that, what change is required okay to get helpers or to win a medal that are proportionate with our population means suitable with the population means here the populations are more, but in the Olympic participations and winning a medal is less. And now Mary Kom giving a suggestion that I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career. If we want more gold medals, more corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their game. So she said that more and more people should take up sports as a full time career. So you might have seen that most of the children are taking only part time as they are going to school or somewhere or the other where they were engaged in the jobs also. So she said that in sport to stop that and to take practice for the full time, and we want more for to win the more gold medals and more corporates means members or group of organization or companies, they should corporates should come in, they should take responsibility and they should sponsor the player means already meaning is given organization that pays or aids sportsmen or a sport event to sponsor them to give so that the players don't have any financial pressure if the companies or anyone sponsoring okay the donations so that the player they can focus more on the games and not and they should not have the future financial pressure or any pressure they should not have okay so that's why she said that and can just focus on their game so the player can only focus on their game and if they don't have the financial problem. Interviewer, do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? Now the interviewer asking question, do you think interest in boxing okay in India okay will ever go beyond mean to do more than the Olympics whether the interest in boxing to do more than the beyond the Olympics means to do more than Olympics. Mary Kom replying yes I am sure that in a few years boxing will be very popular among everyone in India all the year round. She said that within a few years boxing will be very popular in popular among everyone means every people finds interest in the boxing all round the all the year round means the whole year means everyone will find more interest in boxing almost all part of the India. Interviewer, how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements? Diet and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditionings for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Now the interviewer asking questions how aware the Indian women are about their nutritional requirement means growth or food related items required okay for the Indians women. Diet nutrition must have means diet for the diet nutrition the nutritional should be must have the key factors of becoming a containing means to become a fit for the Olympics. So you might know that for the Olympics we need a nutrition food and to become a fit. So do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sport? The interviewer asking question, what do you think about the nutrition that it is a neglected part means not paying attention not to fail in Indian sports the people those are going for the interview sorry for the Olympics they are not focusing more on the nutritional food. So what's her idea the interviewer asking question about that. The Mary Kom, the awareness is going now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirement. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kg since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kg that I fight in. So I had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fat. So she said that the awareness means having knowledge is going among the female athletics. Those who are going for the female athletics awareness is going on now. So what it come to nutritional requirement for the nutritional requirement, nutrition is definitely a neglected area in Indian sports. Most of the Indians women those who are going for the Olympics they are neglected means not paying attention towards the nutritions. I had to gain 3 kg. Now she is telling that she has to gain still 3 kg, and she has, because she has to fight the opponent with 51 kg instead of the usual 48 kg, means she had 48 kg only. The opponents are 51 kg. So she had to gain how many weights? Yes, 3 kg weights that I fight in. So I have to focus on what to eat. So she said that I have to focus to more on the nutritional food to gain the weight. Okay, by weight, by eating the right kind of. Now she said to not to eat anything, to gain weight, to eat right kind of healthy food. Okay, rather than bad saturated means fat means unhealthy fat, or means saturated means food or completely wet. It should not be in the chemical structure. Okay, that are called fat, saturated fats, bad saturated. So she should have good saturated. Interviewer: how big a role did OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? Now the interviewer asking questions. How big a role? How they play a role? It means OGQ means Olympic Gold Cues. Okay, play in shaping the boxing scene. How they play in shaping the boxing peoples in India for the better. Okay, OGQ is a non-profit foundation organization that supports and give training. Okay, that's why the interview asking question to Mary Kom. OGQ means Olympic Gold Cues really played an important part in my success. They played me out whenever I need something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. She said that OGQ, what is that? It's a non-profit organizations, okay, that supports and help the trainer. And she said that it is a very important part in her success, and that helped her whenever she need any help, that the OGQ helped her. They have taken care of everything, and which helped me focus on my boxing. So that OGQ helped to focus more on boxing, and that organization kept her stress free. Interviewer: what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Now we are the interview asking question. What's your opinion or idea about the future of Indian boxing? Mary Kom: the future is very bright, and I am sure many more boxers will get medal for us. Now here she said that the future is very bright means color or learn to more, and that she was very sure about more boxer will come and they will get the medal for us, means medal for India. In future the India will get more medal. Okay, next question, the interviewer: do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Now to ask a question that you find difficult to convince means to make them children in believe not to fight. Okay, actually she was in the boxing field, so she's the interviewer asking that whether you're convincing your children not to fight. Okay, when they watch or you go out and do it in style all the times, or they are acting like in style or all the time. Now the Mary Kom replied, well, I have twins. She said that she have twin, and yes, sometimes it become really difficult to keep them under control. She said she has a twin child. It is very difficult for her to keep them under her control. Now the interviewer questions: will you train your kids to become boxer as well as? Now the interviewer asking question whether you train your kid to become a boxer as well. Mary Kom: I haven't really thought about it as of now. Just let their mother box. Means she said that she haven't thought really till now, but she says still that she was remained a boxer. That's why it is called a mother box. Interviewer, you have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Now the interview asking questions that she had broken several stereotypes, means idea held as common standard or about a particular type of person or things about the woman she belongs to in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field, because already we know that Mary Kom she was selected in the field of boxing, so she's been an exact competitive with men in boxing field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine, means she belongs to a traditional, okay, traditional area where Manipur's part feminine activities like cooking, because what she want to show a traditional feminine part of women in society, the traditional part of women in the society is activities like cooking. You know that in rural place where women are more engaged in cooking only. Okay, so Mary Kom she's replying, well, I am good at cooking and other household work too. She said that she was in good in cooking and also other household, means all other work also. Interviewer, would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? The interviewer asking question whether she would be find interest in coaching the other women also in the boxing. Mary Kom, let's see in the future, maybe yes. She said in the future may be yes. Interviewer, what do you prefer being called, super mom or super boxer? So one of the fantastic question whether she would prefer super mom or super boxer. Mary Kom she replied, I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. Now she here preferring that she want to being a mom. That's the best thing for her ever happened to me, means she like that she suggested that she want to become a good mom. Thanks for watching.